A task force wants to turn U.S. Highway 6975 into an interstate. That group met today in Sherman with government officials from all over North Texas and southern Oklahoma. News 12's Daniela Rivera was at the meeting. She has more details. Daniela?
Maureen and Scott, Text 21, Transportation Excellence in the 21st Century, says US 7569 handles more traffic than I-35. They want this highway named an interstate to help accommodate a growing economy. Truck drivers are voting with their wheels, using US 7569 to haul goods north instead of Interstate 35. That's what Text 21 revealed in a task force meeting in Sherman Wednesday.
75 has the highest volume, and will be getting more and more and more as the population continues to grow like crazy in Texas and southeast Oklahoma.
David Dean is the president and CEO of Dean International, the consulting company which set up the Text 21 task force. Dean says as government officials in both Texas and Oklahoma join with legislators and Congress, the task force can petition the Federal Highway Administration to recognize this 7569 corridor as an interstate designation.
Which would then mean that construction standards would be heavier and higher, safer. The lanes would be a little wider, the shoulders a little wider, the lighting would be a little better.
Dean says the lighting and signage would also be more consistent as the corridor would have to meet interstate standards. Sherman Mayor Kerry Wacker says the city has joined the task force as improvements for highway safety are needed.
And by getting an interstate designation and bringing more funding, that also puts us more prominently on the map for companies, businesses looking to relocate or locate along a major highway.
A consultant also gave an update on the Panama Canal expansion, telling the group that as larger boats are able to carry more goods through in the future, some Texas seaports will have to expand, making 75 an even busier trade route.
The Panama Canal expansion is a 100-year game changer for North America.
Mayor Wacker says a Texas constitutional amendment on the 2014 ballot would allocate funds for new road improvements across the state. She says the city hopes this corridor receives some of those funds. Live in Grayson County tonight, Daniela Rivera, News 12.